sorry, okay. My privacy about community. Yeah, hello, what's up? I don't know. Live not go off kakra, so I'm very sorry for that. Okay. Welcome back to the live. Welcome back to the live. I'm sorry. Beyou Comedy. Baby police, hey, officer, mercy, anyone can play man. Yeah, sorry, okay. You need the man. We need to live no call off. I'm sorry. So we are sorry for that. Okay. Hello, Nelda. How are you? Hi. What's up? No matter, but I'm share na. We now was live, right? I don't know why, but I'm hanging up. I'm very sorry. Yeah. You know my friend. Welcome back. We are very sorry, right? We are very, very sorry for going off course. I don't know. We are not talking very bad. Hello. Bad watch it, right? Okay, so as I was saying, tomorrow you drop it, baby police. You got it. So, yeah, because I'm alive in the call of Kakra. So I think I'll be Shama from also. We were having 50 viewers right now. Since you come by and let's share now. Other fans also made them. I'm my two girls. Oh, they are at school right now. I'm in school. So, and for now, I'm in the series. So, yeah, sorry, okay. Go home and watch now by all means. I'm watching. I'll go home and giddy on screen. Yeah. So tomorrow we are dropping it. As I was saying, it's only 12 and 1. It was under 12 and 1. So just load up your bundles and let's say your airtimes to watch this. What is it about? Baby police. Let's say it's about something like our normal police activities. You get it. For now, no, I'm gonna make sure say I'm going to number one a free Ghana to get it in a comedy that I'm like rape cases, cars with DV, and also drivers with no licenses. A lot. It talks about a lot. You get it. Advice room, comedy side room, and let's say emotional side and say the Kakra. So main to me more much clear about this thing. But now chef from Corner. I think you will follow the storyline. It's very interesting, okay. Yes, what's up? Stackets. How are you? So prepare to watch the best waiting if not your chain will fly all the way from South Africa and beat you. If not your king. I don't know. If not your what? If not your king will fly all the way from South Africa to Ghana to beat you. Why? I don't get you, Jennifer. Jennifer, what's up? How are you doing? Yo, ST. I've been seeing your comments always. Your comments always under my posts. STTV Ghana, what's up? Yeah, it's okay. I'm good. What about you? I'm also fine. I'm great. So let's talk about baby police. You can ask any question about baby police, okay? Get ready to watch Best Kids movie. Best Kids movie. Comedy movie. Comedy plus movie. You get it. So let's watch the trailer. The trailer is not here, so hope it's nice. Oh, it's very nice. But I would suggest you must start a long distance course at university and priority because they are very good. Yeah. Babs, I am a motive. They go so. Yes, true. I always comment. I just love everything about you. Keep it up, okay? Thank you, STTV. What's up? Thank you very much. Okay. Is it a series? It's a comedy series. Yeah, it's a comedy series. You show him boom like full movie. No, every day they are on an episode. Oh, sorry. Okay, Kwame Eugene is at school right now. SHS. Yeah, SHS right now. So also in your time, right? No see how they. And people are asking me about Koku Frempong. Where is Koku Frempong? Where is Koku Frempong? Where is Koku Frempong? Where is Koku Frempong? Mo bisa masa Koku Frempong. Why? Me mo fast. Blood. Mo fast. Zangaza. Miss Zangaza. Eba. Yeah, you get it. Koku school. We hear some small touches B. You get it. Some small touches B. So he's on break for now. We are preparing Koku Frempong to become best. There's a bus screener. Or bar with full vim added to markets, you get it. So or break kakra, getting prepared. You will come back. I think you need to study or say again focus on education kakra. Yeah, it's education kakra. Now me maybe yeah. So you have to focus on education like kakra. So later no I'm back to the scene. You get it. Okay. So thank you. Baby police. Any questions? Any questions? I should not baby police. Why? After watching this series, you get to know that Menkrawi is the best kids, the best talented kids in Ghana right now. And to be here, I'm happy to see you live today. Yeah. STTV. My bad life see actually almost it's been 2 years since my old case. Yeah, it's been 2-3 years. Never life. Yeah, they are all best. I really love them. Yeah. You see their best in this movie. That is especially One Time Man. You get it. And specializing conclusion is very good, and so it's the first time I'm watching. When he comes, I'll make a story around it. Oh yeah, of course. About you make a story about him. Yeah. So yeah, all available more. You just need some time. So as I was saying, Baby Police no any Nigerian corporate movie. Any Nigerian corporate movie, yeah? A fully Ghanaian story. You get it. From my side. Created by me, my side. You get it. Why didn't you let AC arrest Razak? He don't sleep early. You go so chako. So you pull views in the bet you as a year twice on your and twice. If our views from you guys are not enough for us, I think I was here skeptical different. Please let me ask you, shorten your fiancé. No. Jennifer, short my AC Kokoti Nyaba Penny. So you are like family, you get it. You are like family, you get it. Yeah. AC Kokoti Nyaba short my. In your penny short my, you get it. So you are family. No fiancés and be okay. Good afternoon, you Prince. I see you. If a question here, since I'm prepared to watch it, I'm also the reason question here. I'm watching you live from Spain, Prince Amalcon and I see you. Yeah, on this live today, we're gonna ask you a necessary question. Yeah, Buza. That's a big yano. Much my will say. Let the questions fall under Baby Police. I beg, ST are you in a relationship? Yeah, why not? Yeah, in a relationship. Yeah. Karen, and the questions. I see a chance here. I did banning and I buy a question. I may answer a question. Because baby police questions. And we have questions. I have baby police. So thank you very much. So we are not share live now, my wife. Number one, I baby police. Okay, so let's go to the soundtrack. You can ask questions while the soundtrack is playing. Soundtrack by Pokemon. Okay. Just for fun. I see you. No problem. Baby police. Hey. Officer Maniesi. Anyone can play money. I'm a chama, the best you are my whistle, yeah. You know my friend, you know my friend. Who back coming full again? You know me, you do it, I go catch you again. So we have a question. How far is Asimasi issue and you? We are working. They are also working. Yeah, we are shooting Baby Police. So watch Baby Police on my channel. You can also watch them on their channel too. So we are hoping for the best for each other. Okay. Very good reply. You will bring questions. Oh, bring. I'm willing to. Nice answer. Illegal connection. Pay me attention. Don't need to ask me any question. One time play money. Officer Maniesi. On the noon of Medenti. When you're from Pertiate. What you want to say? What you want to say? I said, wait, you are not in a competition with anybody. You are not in a competition with anybody. You get it? You need competition. Yeah. We are doing our own thing. We are doing our own thing. Things that's gonna push markets. You get it? Yeah. My question is, Uncle B, can you answer? Not the one beyond him, I beg. So that's. I love the girls so much, especially they are growing nice. Yeah. ST, come again. ST, come again, okay? Where are my girls? They are at school. I'm more your last exams. Saturday, Sunday are breaking. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday going. New projects and so because of the then. So after Baby Police no. New projects and so ever. I just show me I'm watching now. The Baby Police are. I heard in the interview. What the car are you know today? Me show you out. Me. Now you all can show. Me can say they will be carrying to you. You get it? A Juma no na a casa. Let the work talk. You get it? Me I won't come and sit on my page or interview and start bragging. You know, no. The work itself can talk. You get it? Yeah. The work itself can talk. We are not in a competition with anybody. So now we should be police in air corner. You get to know the best side of my kids. Right now, I'm comedy side. No, they have graduated. Comedy side, they have graduated from the comedy side. But the comedy side is still in them. But they have graduated from short content. They will be shooting, but they have graduated. They have graduated for full movies and kind of stuff. And very soon, if you feature Kojon Cancer 11, I don't know, someone who's a video now. Very soon, they will be featured in next projects. Kojon Cancer 11, and very soon, we'll be casting Kojon Cancer 2 on our channel. So it takes a power of flow, you get it. Let's say of flow, part to part, that can act with let's say if I inform more industry, you get it. So they are fully ready. And it's American is a Mamika tree can on the phone. Where are you? I say, how are you? You are okay. I love you. Why Kobe is not advising your show again? Copy Mats. Oh, Copy Mats. Let's say our two channels. That is Sports Link Ghana. So I think it's not the focus now of Sports Link. But now I think it's what shall I say? Blogging work. You choose to do what you want to do. You get it? Yeah. Could be the personal blogger. I don't have any personal blogger. I work on my own. I create my things alone. Nobody is my personal blogger. Yeah, they do it out of love. So come out today. Or you get it. Please don't mind anybody. Still, let's roll small. Right. Karen, I beg. We are promoting this new movie series, Baby Police. Okay, when are we acting? That I like you very soon. Yeah, you can see dates for that. You can see dates for the likes. Let's say shoots, but of a very busy kakra. You get it? A very busy kakra. Me tell you, man, I say. I think it's at the very best right time. Yeah, in a pressure way of a year. Argue with him because Jenny is a must, yeah. One after myself life is here. Oh, live. Okay, welcome back. We are back again. It's your network, please. Yeah, my network was. I really like to see one time giving like pressure. Oh, very soon. Be teaming up. So I could be please do AC and one time we have place. That is, cells to take those people to when they have been arrested. It's content, you get it. So we blended it in a suspense way, you get it. So the whole shit I'm watching now, still you will get the vibe. You bring your vibe, no. You bring your hey, you have invested a lot in this project. It's a share more. Our lovely fans, more encourage Mario mind. You drop here, one share, one comment. What do baby? I took him maybe a money day. My own comment say be our hand and so our next project we know what to do. Now me watching a dropping up. It's in between 12 and 1. It's not yet confirmed. It's in between 12 and 1. You get it? 12 and 1 p.m. So we can drop it at 12. We will schedule it so at the honor you will know that is the time. Okay. I'm sure it's his network, not our side. My network is very bad here. I'm sorry. Please, is it okay? Is the network okay right now? Kotie, Baby Police. Can't wait to watch Baby Police. Their moves. They are smart to close to be. Yeah. You might not any easy, but Namiado. We are still shooting, so reviews never choose again twice one money and twice. Yeah. Especially, I mean, can't see me like a cry. Actually, maybe I don't Ubuzami Yano. I still Ubuzami Yano. What do you call Ubuzami Yano? Sometimes, when is that? Let's say this media space now, some private life must not be like, let's say, said here. You get it? Yeah. You show me age, I won't say my age too. And sometimes in media space now, we don't explore our privacy here. You get it? We work quite a bit. You get it? That's how it is. Hello, good afternoon. Please, where is Kwame Vision? Kwame Vision is a school offering want to miss time to study Kakra. Yeah, education level, no. I wasn't seeing it very well, so I think I'm off as so also focus on education like Kakra later on. Yeah. Yeah, you're right. That's why I'm telling someone to ask you. And the view, is it more important to see? I'm not because of many fear. Yeah. How is Shotman? Shotman is doing great. He's very fine. No, not doing something. Wow. Now me say me make car send me kakra. Mami mfa kwanya we so enda friends here. Me nkwa ni parents ase. Me nkwa ni parents. Mami mfa kwanya we so enda o mase. We am be fans so. Let's start from Ezikupoti man. It's been 2 years now. How many more my head? Juma. Minya anything bad about Ezikupoti man. Let's say complaining now the banner coin family. I really appreciate them very well. I say if you have sister, you can drop a CV for the queue. So they are being supportive. That is Ezikupoti Mama one time, they are being supportive. And last year no, there was some small hard time last year. There was a month here. That was a very big hard time, and I communicated with them and they understood me to get it. And yeah, the Biana Jumana Ed sometimes and yet so it takes dedicated mom and dedicated fathers of the kids to understand. They have been cooperative from last year or last 2 years till now. They have been cooperative from last year till now. Yeah, I've been cooperative on my side, you get it. They have been supportive too. In posting the videos in school. I'm just about the cooperatives taking this big serious. Yeah, I got you. I've been supportive. One time, easy man, easy papa. One time, papa. I've been supportive. We are like brothers and sisters. The new level, be as a if I build a training event. Maximum, Diago said, let's say, obedient in Miamba, and you get it. Yeah, God bless them so much. I really appreciate what they have been doing and the trust they have for me. Near the Bian Echo, but the much you get it. God bless them. And also, God bless my fans too for the support they have been having from me. I'm watching you live from Lebanon. 4 p.m. God bless them. We love them. I miss my brother Ezekiel. Yeah, Ezekiel just called right now. When I'm network now says he's here now. Ezekiel. When I first is here now, I have to meet him at Bantima right now. So after the live, we go straight to Bantima. Yeah. So let's watch out for baby police. I don't know about why. Monjamai. Because last year, Koye Jimabi and they pull out for the views, not many angel. That is the book I hear Juma. I had him pull out, but this time, my the book I hear Juma. This Juma too is very interesting and very nice. It's very interesting and very nice. I'm not hyping it too much, but it's very interesting and very nice. Wait, him from me. Okay. I'm gonna share live in my way. We are giving it to you guys back to back. This year is a back to back series and movies added to comedies. Back to back. There are more talents coming. More talents coming. Which are more fat, Yanamo, so Ediapa, and I really love that. Some people like nobody will have to push them. Because I'm manager and give me please, I'm single. What will you tell me? Should I take my time and wait for the person, or should I go and do logolege. Go and do logolege. Go and do logolege. Go do logolege. That's the show when you are about swatch like you use and you. I'm not logolege. I'm not. Go and do logolege. Logolege you judge outside your food film. Go do logolege. Logolege they say oh na go logolege. Anamba. Si who go logolege oh yeah logolege na me you. Na me you. Si who go logolege na say ai oh ai Lebanon about for friend say about for 30. Me got the boss say say go logolege. Me mo Ghana be dey so logolege. Ahun ba say my friend a wo ka kire me. What me kan kire me? Me too for. Still me too for. Wasn't bad. Let's watch some intro. The intro about big police is here. Okay, so I'm gonna flip it camera to this side and check the intro here. The intro quite 1K. Intro no quite 1K. Hey, masi. Hey, me Ngwazini. Into no quite 1K, bro. I'm back. What's wrong with my laptop? Okay. Beyou Comedy. Okay. Are you watching? Stop. Go. Officer, Mamiesi, anyone can play money. Okay. You know my friend. Yeah, moving now. Moving now. No, actually, my workout. I mean, my workout with my promise. Don't mind my media. I've invested a lot in this movie, so please, don't share my wife. And I promise you, we are not gonna fail you guys. I'm sure Maria Moniaji, editing on point, storyline on point, acting on point, everything on point. Yeah, that's my girl. Not true. Mon cher ami, tu n'as pas mon commentaire. It started from a bro womb, arrest womb, comedy womb, a soon womb. You get it? And I see I'm watching. What's up? How? It's unlove. And I see now you said that you okay, I'm not boy you. Bash. What's up? Your girls are at school, you know. I'm only in Chennai. Me go fear a better life. So from here, me call Facebook Live. From Facebook Live straight to TikTok Live. Karen, Star Kids, thank you very much for joining the live. Okay. I'm watching. I'm watching. No one copy link and watch it. Why? Who will cry? Oh, baby, stars in Besu or senior pa. Man for Besu. Man for Besu senior. Man for Bestre. Man for so. Oh, they now would say. Men calling now suspense, okay? We're gonna watch it for you, okay? Thank you very much. Please don't let someone break my one-time payment sound. Oh, feel free. Now one-time payment actually why na? Why Chulang? Chulang ko me asin niya ana, amen shadi. Ye. Neba. Let me check this. Chulang why? Okay, so I think I'm going to soundtrack. Beyou Comedy. Okay. Officer Mamiesi, and the one country man. Okay. You know my friend, that's my girls. Unimsa. So also unimsa challenge your mind. So also who will be on this Roma? Baby police, yeah, officer, mammy, my girls for you. Superstars. Best kiss actress in Ghana. One time play my Zikogoti. Okay. Okay.
Don't need to ask me any questions.
One time play my name. Officer Maniasi. On in my daddy. That's my girls.
Beyou Comedy.
Baby police. Baby police.
Officer, mommy, see.
Actually, one time play man. Okay.
Officer, mommy, see.
One time play man.
Officer, mommy, see.
Okay. This is a soundtrack, yeah.
Beyou Comedy.
On soundtrack, you know. I don't think my girls will even take bribe, so please don't let these two arrest. Oh, the messages. Let me see this message here. Please, can you send me your personal phone number? Oh, bash, bacho. Once all your car, if you wanna hide in or say, yeah. Need to be from a number 2 down. You know. Wait me chatting me either TikTok, Beyou Comedy, and answer Instagram, Beyou Comedy official. Yeah, I can drop my number there for you. You got it. So I'm not hiding our corners and yet logic here. I love your videos. You and your kids are such talented. Thank you very much for that. Yeah. The phone number is possible. Pacho. Why? Any possible. Big ups to Mama, but now big ups to let's say my Juliana. Yeah. And I chance watch you. If anything, please, your phone number. No, please. You reply, no man can get it. And I want to reply. You reply. And I want to reply. Okay, let the talk. Our work is talking from tomorrow. Your human casa from tomorrow. Ochina Jumano. Mama meet us. Ochina Jumano. And Nebe Casa. I'm going to say yes, this are the kids, talented kids in Ghana right now. You get it. Yeah. It's not anyone you get it. Yeah. But in your competition, so you're not in competition with anybody. You don't really make a competition, yeah, I don't know. You don't really have a competition, yeah, I don't know. Yeah. Videos be an comment be and as a be bash be an ama a catamanize many to be. My focus on you man focus on your work and work. Don't talk about somebody. Work and go higher. Don't be in a competition with anybody. Think about the stories. Focus. Shoot. Bring it out. People will watch for you. Don't bash people for attention. Okay? You are not going to reply to anything. Okay? Yeah, reply by friend say the videos are there, you get it. Yeah, reply by videos. I there ever. You get it. Please, will feature on air. I'll feature on air. I only reply right now is our movies coming. Back to back, back to back, back to back, back to back. You get it. Back to back. Yeah. Yeah. The best song. Thank you. Keep waiting, okay? Keep waiting. Big up to Nature TV. Big up to Kobimat Multimedia. You're doing a great job. Yeah. Big up to all my fans. I believe in you guys very soon. Yeah. Let's not about it. Focus on your work, go and work. Focus on your work and work. And push head to the top for me and for the whole world to get it. Thank you very much. That's the advice I can give to you. Big ups to Ariswa. They are doing a great job. Big ups to Auntie Doreen. They are doing great job. Yeah, that's the truth. You have to think about your hard work. Yeah. One time the mama power. Hey. Yeah. I revoir. So once I catch them say, me cry parents no. I say, to see I make us this year I'm not say. Masha me bacho obo bia ko bono. Ono ne ba na best yeah. Ono ne ba na best and the ba you good ba we very good. Mo bia ko bono or comment section. I'm not Clement. One time my papa down. Also God bless you and the entire team. So one comment about supporting from the family, like from long distance. I'm sure you man may but nebano. Sometimes the human up and down. Need to be a neighbor, but almost so mama say for humanity they understand that sometimes you discuss share humanity and a year before say about one for so a bar on the so and Mansua on the so ANTRC it's called brain. Say brain. Let me shout on it the friends and stay media for the love. Let me shout. Media. I don't be able to be featured minimum. I have my kids. So if the story no, let's see what he said Obama. Why not? I will feature them. Until already my feature no may more. My feature no kids on a mission. Kids on a mission a man share me man boka. Kids on a mission a man share man boka. A people call them from whatever man can be. Man share boka no. Where the man share me? Because man boka we are. Yeah, as I mean invest a lot in production. Na makoma mpe. Me invest a lot videos man but some share man na say puli mama. Please I work activity and you like to meet you one on one. Oh, okay, no problem. Bash, yeah. You can chat me, or you can. I don't have extra phone here, but anyway, you can drop your number. You can drop your number here. I'll personally chat you. The number here. I chat high one. Akimbo, what's up? I'll meet you guys on TikTok this evening, okay? And Astina, what's up? I'll meet you guys on TikTok in the evening. This afternoon, make a Facebook live. After here, make a Facebook live. From Facebook, make a TikTok. Oh, I must say follow up. Make a also on TikTok. Yeah, you're doing a good job. When are you coming to America? I wish and I pray it shall come to pass. It shall come to pass. It shall come to pass. I believe that. Okay. I'll be there. I'll be there. I pray I'll be there. Try invite. I'm going to come. Try invite now. I'm going to come. God bless you. Shaba Abigail. Hi, what's up? Miss Nabuatin. Yeah, we want to interview you. Interview. No problem. Got you. Baby police. Yeah, bet you, Mr. Ochina from Ochinako. Internet baby gidi. It's all about Beyou Comedy Wow. Beyou Comedy Wow. Ochinako. Beyou Comedy Wow and internet as well. Every day one video. You get it. Highway is where she show. Two video are open in time. And very soon we'll be featuring a Cabernet and Beyou Comedy. Yeah. Beyou Comedy to the world. Thank you very much, Wendy. What's up? Wendy, my biggest fan. Yo, Wendy ST. Wendy ST say, what are comment videos as a power? Yeah, Wendy ST. Yeah. And on 27th, Accra National Theatre, 1957, I'll be there. 27th, National Theatre, 1957, I'll be there. So we'll be there. We are now at CS next month, 17th May, a country called Ghana, by Kojon Kanzaleren, Accra National Theatre. Month 25th, I'll be there. My name is Kano will be there. Let's support our brothers, okay? Let's support our co-brothers and this project, okay? But I see my kids tomorrow. I'm going off for now. Love you and the team. Big ups to you, Jennifer. So, I'm watching you live from Dubai. Yeah, thank you very much, Tata Francis. Much love, okay? Any questions about baby police? So you are talking about baby police, yeah? Baby police, yeah, betcha. Yeah, betcha, yeah. Any questions about baby police? Yeah. I believe in guys. How is doing great? Can you come to Accra at the sun? Bash me now where you need you. They're waiting for baby police. Yeah. Baby police is coming tomorrow. I'm watching Eba. Somebody baby police in Hawaii. Maybe I want to challenge Easy Go together. Hey, but the man won't me. What I mean is the man for the same chain. One time play wine. Was Sasa, you know, I confirm. Baghdad is in Baghdad. In Baghdad is watching from Iraq. Oh, okay, Iraq. Oh, wow. Where are you from? Okay, I'm Ghana, yeah? I'm from Ghana. What time, please? 12, in between 12 and 1. So you will schedule it. We will schedule it in the premiere, so in between 12 and 1. Sharp. I want to challenge AC. AC will kill you. One time, Pat, will see you. Thank you, nice one. I'm the best, and it's not sure. I'm sure. Baby police is coming on, load up your bundles. Baby police is coming, load up your bundles. I'm the best. Yeah, okay. If you are the best, you will see. I watch you from Kuwait. I love the girls so much. God bless you. Thank you for your love. Okay, much love. Nestina, how are you challenging power? I miss you. I don't know what's going on here. We are waiting for you guys. We are coming. Ochina is baby police day. Tomorrow is baby police day. About no share. But they won't check on our ship here. No comment here. No share. No problem about it. No share. I'm supporting. I'm watching. Supporting. Okay. I have about 10 minutes to 15 minutes to leave, so Anything you want to ask, you can ask me. Let's go. Before I leave, okay? No problem. I'm his daughter. My name is Belinda. From Italy. Palestina, okay. My name is Belinda. I'm his daughter. I'm from Italy. Okay. I say due to the videos. I don't get you that much. Yeah. In the chance, yeah. My kids are open for fishing. They are matured enough. So we production number so using them crown for your movies. The Casanes Casemisia. Now they moko. Never don't go, remember. After working I'll bring them home. But it's not free. Only yes, yeah. Don't worry, tomorrow. You can't lie with you. Where is Coco from? Come begin his school. Short man is around, and different bond needs to steady hard. Yeah. I have this. Okay, you have a sister. Okay. Nadia. I'll be leaving very soon. Okay, so Obama na watching. Am I? Beyou Comedy on live. You're live. I think I have 3 minutes to go. 3 minutes to go, so Miss Quinn, yeah? I have 3 minutes to go. I'm leaving very soon, okay, so greetings to my kids, all our fans across the world. Greetings to you guys watching me. Greetings to my crown and my memo and your parents. Yeah, let's see that way. And greetings to every kid working hard to break through this YouTube business. Okay, much love. So 2 minutes to go. Let's say almost 1.5 minutes to go. When is Baby Police coming? Baby Police is coming tomorrow. China, Big Police is dropping. I watch you live from Oman. Okay, Ishaba Abigail GH. Much love. Okay, so the best answer. Well, I don't know really why I love your series like that. I always happy when I see you, especially the way you do your face. Really, that time Big Police it falls under 12 to 1. And Estina, thank you. Estina Akuma. Yeah. I have a minute to go. A minute to go. That's all for today. Baby Police, what time? Before I end, Ochina Baby Police ever. Number Baby Police is episode 1 dropping tomorrow. 12, in between 12 and 1. I'll schedule it. Every day, 1 episode will drop. Ochina, Baby Police is coming. Load up your bundles. God bless you so much. I love you guys. Keep supporting my girls. Esikokoti, one time payment. And the whole crew members. Keep supporting our works. Please show them Ochina. Monshama Ochina. Yaboka about with my was my heart. Misha Moai. Big ups. Much love. Beyou Comedy to the whole. Okay, well, thank you.